Hello friends, I have created a course on Fusion 360 on Udemy, animated engine model design in Fusion 360. The link for the course is given in the description and more than 2000 students enrolled for this course and it has 4-star rating on Udemy. So if you are interested, use the link below and you will get some discount for the course. Hello friends, this is Hardik and you are watching Hardik CAD-CAM. Today we are making this model in Fusion 360. All the dimensions for this model are given over here. So we will first start with the new design. We are in the new design right now. First of all, we will create a rectangular block like this. Okay, so we will start with the new sketch by clicking on create sketch button and we will use this plane. First of all, we will create a square of 40 by 40. So we will get this section of the block. So we will use the rectangle command. The shortcut for the rectangle command is R, or we can use the button also. So we will click on the origin and we will write down 40 tab 40 and enter. Now we will extrude it. For that, first of all, we will finish this sketch and now we will extrude it. The length of this block is 60 mm. So we will extrude it 60 mm. For extrusion, the shortcut is E. So we will press E, or you can use the button. Now we need to extrude this 60 mm. So we will write down 60 over here. Okay, now we got the rectangular block. Now we need this type of face over here. So the distance from this face to this face is 10 mm, that is given over here. So we will create a plane from this face. Okay, so for that we will go to construct and we will create a offset plane. Okay, now we will select this plane and we will reverse this direction and we will write down -10 and enter. Now we got a plane 10 mm apart from this face. Now we will split this body with this plane. For that we will go to modify and we will use the split body command. Now body to split this rectangular block, and for the splitting tool we will select the plane and we will hit OK. Now we splitted the body. Okay, now what will we do? We will create a similar plane 10 mm from the bottom. Okay, for that we will use again offset plane command and we will select this face. We will reverse this direction and we will write down -10 and enter. Now again we will split this body. For that we will go to modify, split body, and we will select this body and this body, and for the splitting tool we will select this plane and OK. Okay, now we need these 2 points over here. For that we will create a sketch on this face. Okay, now we will create 2 points. For that go to create and select point command, click on this edge and click on this edge. Okay, now we will place these points perfectly. For that we will use these dimensions. This point is 30 mm apart from this edge and this point is 40 mm apart from this edge. So we will use the dimension command. For that the shortcut is D. We will click on this point, we will click on this point and we will write down 40, enter, and 30. So we will edit this dimension by double clicking on that, and we will write down 30, enter. Now again we will use the dimension command. For that, shortcut is D. We will click on this point and click over here, and we will write down 40, enter. Now we got 2 points, and now we will join them with the line. So we will click over here and here. Now we got this line. Now we will finish this sketch. Now we will create another sketch on this plane. Now we will project this edge and this edge to the sketch. For that, the shortcut is P. We will select this edge and OK. Now we got 2 lines over here. Now we will create 2 points on that lines. One is over here and second one over here. Now we will place these points perfectly as per dimension. This point is 10 mm apart from this edge, and the dimension for this point is not given, but it is 20 mm from this edge. Now we will create 2 dimensions. For dimension, the shortcut is D. We will click on this point, and we will write down 10, enter. We will click on this point, and we will write down 20, enter. Now we will create a line from this point to this point, and we will finish this sketch. Now we will create a plane passing through these 2 lines. For that, we will go to construct, and we will select plane through 2 edges, and we will select this line and this line. Now we got the plane, and we will hit OK. Now what will we do? We will split this body with this plane. For that, we will go to modify, and we will use the split body command. We will select this body. For splitting tool, we will select this plane and OK. Now in bodies folder, there are many bodies. Now we don't need this body in the model, so we will right click on that and we will remove it. Now we will hide all the construction planes, and we will join all these bodies. We will hide the sketches too. Now we will join all these bodies. For that, we will go to modify and use the command combine. Okay. Now we will select this body and this body and this one. Now we will click on OK, and our model is ready. It is very simple model. Make this model on your own, and if you find any difficulty, then repeat this lecture. And if you have any question, then let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much.